RedSky, reverse turn order for remaining rounds, and you may remove a special card or draw one community card and place in Loyalist. So RedSky is one of the more complicated cards because he's doing a real big board manipulation. So what you're going to do here is say I'm going first. In the case of going first, what's going to happen is I'm going to begin going last. So when I make this play and I'm going first, the opponent is going to go next, and then the opponent goes next again. So they're going to get back-to-back plays. And then I'm going to play again. However, if I'm second, I will go back-to-back plays. So in either case, you get to kind of manipulate the board. If the plays are really good and you're going second, you play it and you go twice in a row. If the board isn't very good, you might be going first, and that might be the time to go ahead and let the opponent go 2 in a row. And then you get the last play of the game. So that's going to happen. And now I can remove a card or I can add one. But right now, the opponent has this lovely 20-point additional card after the man. So I think my best decision is to simply remove it. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.